Hey, so I decided to make a video on how to change your avatar and skin and hair color to like abnormal colors. So first what you gotta do is you gotta have like an XSATA or an Xport. I'm using an Xport, an Xplorer 360, and you gotta get your file out of your drive, and you go to File, Open, and then you open your file that you copied, and it should just be a bunch of random numbers and letters and stuff that you shouldn't be able to understand unless you're like a coder. And you go to find hex values, and then you search for the C1, C8, F1 code, and you just click OK, and then it'll show you, and there'll be a bunch of results. And so you gotta scroll down until you find the zeros, and there'll be a bunch of zeros. And then the first FF, there might be some stuff before that, but the first FF that you see, there's going to be 3 bytes and then another FF, and in between those two FFs, those are your skin color codes. So what you got to do is you got to go to this website, and it'll pop up in a second, and it's called colorpicker.com. And hold on. So here's the website. It's pretty plain, and you just get to choose your colors and stuff like that. You can make it pretty much any color you want. And at the top in that little white box, it'll give you a code, and that code is the hex value for the color. So what you gotta do is you gotta enter that code where it's highlighted right there, and it'll change your skin color to that color. So you just gotta enter the code, and just to clarify, it's right there, and you just enter it in right there, and it should pop up red for most hex editors to show you that you're entering, if you didn't already know that, which you probably do. And then the second one is your hair color, like the one after the next FF is your hair color, so you just basically do the exact same thing. And I wanted red, so I'm going to put in the red hex value, and there we go. And then you just got to go up and click save, and then you can just exit out of it. And then what you have to do is you have to rehash your account profile using hash block calculator. So you just open that up, go to File, Open, and you scroll down, select on your profile that you just modded. Sorry for the lag, I don't know what happened, but I selected it, and you go Tools, and then you go Calculate Hash Blocks, and it'll do everything for you. And then you just gotta, I would suggest making a backup of this file, so that if you do happen to mess up, then you can just restore your file again, and everything will be back to normal. But then, so you gotta delete that file, and then you go insert the new one, just like that. Pretty simple. For some reason, drag and drop doesn't work on mine, so I have to insert the file. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.